This is why you need to jump into affiliate marketing. Imagine earning $100 a day with minimal effort. Sounds good, right? Affiliate marketing is a game changer. Promote products you love and earn commissions on every sale. No inventory, no shipping hassles, just pure profit. Picture this. You're enjoying your morning coffee while your affiliate links are working for you 24/7. Passive income at its finest. You can work from anywhere, anytime. The beach, your couch, even while traveling the world. So how do you get started? First, pick a niche you're passionate about. Then find affiliate programs that offer juicy commissions. Sign up, grab your unique links, and start promoting. Content is king. Share valuable tips on social media, write engaging blog posts, or create awesome videos. The more you share, the more you earn. Engage with your audience and build trust. They'll thank you by clicking your links. And here's the kicker. As your audience grows, so do your earnings. Soon, $100 a day will be your new normal. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into affiliate marketing today and change your financial future. The sky's the limit. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Let's make that $100 a day dream a reality.